Hello friends, welcome to Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Be ready for the legal passage second part. Transcription number 51 of GD Beast. Start. He also submitted that aforesaid reference to the decision of Mafatlal within bracket Supra is misplaced. Stop. The Learned Counsel for the state went a step further and submitted that the appellant is not entitled to claim any exemption under section 5 within bracket 3 of the CST Act in view of the fact that assessee could not produce any agreement at the time of purchase of the tea in the auction sale, indicating that the purchase is made in relation to export. Stop. We have considered the aforesaid submissions of the learned counsel appearing for the parties in the light of the records placed before us. Stop. Since, the contentions of the learned counsel appearing for the respondent state are with regard to the fact that the appellant cannot claim exemption in absence of proof of an agreement in support of the claim for exemption under section 5 within bracket 3, and the same goes to the very root of the claim made. We deem it proper to take the aforesaid stand at the first stage. Stop. Sub hyphen section within bracket 3 of section 5 has already been extracted herein before. Stop. According to the said provision, the last sale or purchase of any goods preceding the sale or purchase occasioning the export of those goods out of the territory of India shall also be deemed to be in the course of such export, if such sale or purchase took place after and was for the purpose of complying with the agreement. Stop stanza. When an assessing authority finds on final assessment that the dealer has paid tax in excess of what is due, it shall refund the excess to the dealer. Stop. When the assessing authority receives an order from any appellate authority or revisional authority to make refund of tax or penalty paid by a dealer, it shall effect the refund due. Stop. Notwithstanding anything contained in subsection within bracket 1 and within bracket 2, the assessing authority shall have power to adjust the amount due to be refunded under subsection within bracket 1 or subsection within bracket 2 towards the recovery of any amount due on the date of adjustment from the dealer. Stop. After referring to the said provision, it was held by the tribunal that in case the dealer has paid the tax in excess of what was due from him, it could be refunded to the dealer. But here is a case where not the dealer but the appellant had claimed exemption under section 5 within bracket 1. Stop. सो ये हमारी 80 WPM की डिक्टेशन थी। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन पसंद आई हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर स्टेनो डिक्टेशंस, लीगल, एडिटोरियल एंड जनरल।